Hi! In front of me is Honor Magic for LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files and click on it. Now select Browse at the bottom right corner if it's not already on. Scroll down and choose Downloads Received Files. After that, click on Download Manager, and as you can see, all my downloads are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!